to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I'm so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and then every time I post a new wig related video, you will get a notification letting you know that I have posted something new. So today is a video that I am making by request. This is a comparison of Young Mono by Wille and Sunset by Wille. So first off, on my head, I am wearing Young Mono. So I'm going to go over her specifications, and then I will change wigs and I will go over the specifications for Sunset, and then I will do some side-by-sides of me turning and things like that so you can see the two wigs compared to each other. I will also talk a little bit about the color comparison because Young Mono comes in chocolate mix and Sunset is available in chocolate rooted, and they are not available in each other's colors. So you can only get the chocolate mix on the Young Mono, you can only get the chocolate rooted on the Sunset. So that could be another determining factor. These two styles are so close to one another that you can't go wrong with either wig. It's really a determination to, in my opinion, it's really the color that you want. If you want the rooted color, go with Sunset. If you want just the mixed color, go with Young Mono. So let me get into the specifications for Young Mono since she's on my head. Now I will mention that I have modified this wig a bit. I did widen this part a little bit. So your Young Mono that you get, you need to refer back to my previous review of Young Mono to see the way it looks without the modification of the part. But this is my wig. I wear it all the time, so that is why her part has been modified. So as far as the measurements are concerned, on Young Mono has a bang of 9 inches. She has a 9-inch measurement from the crown. She has 6-inch sides, and her nape is 2.5 inches. So on Sunset, the measurements are just slightly less than that. So I will get into that in just a minute. But she's really, really cute. Other differences are cap construction. So, okay, let's talk about cap construction for Young Mono first off. So this is Young Mono. Her part doesn't go quite all the way back to the crown, and that's a difference in the two caps. Otherwise, she has a lace front. I think, trim that lace. Yeah, I did. I trimmed that lace a little bit there too. So like I said, I've done some modifications because this is my wig, wear her all the time. So lace front extends down onto the ear tabs here. So nice, generous lace front, very nice. And then, a fairly wide mono part there. Closed lace up here. I believe they both have the closed lace. They both have the same soft ear tabs, open wefted cap, extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. So here is Sunset. So you see what I'm talking about with the part? The part on Sunset over here is just extended all the way back to the crown. And you can see it on the wig too. I'll show it to you when I have it on my head. But otherwise, we're seeing closed lace, open wefting, extended nape, Velcro adjusters, soft ear tabs. Just have some flyaway hairs that are sticking out because like I said, I wear this wig all the time. Okay, I will put Sunset. Okay, so here is Sunset on my head. So as you can see, very, very similar wig. So as far as the measurements on Sunset, she has an 8-inch bang. So Young Mono had a 9-inch bang. She has also 8 inches from the crown. Young Mono is 9 inches from the crown. She has 6-inch sides. They have the same measurement there. And her nape is only 2 inches. And Young Mono's nape is 2.5 inches. So Young Mono is just slightly longer by just inches and half inches all the way around. Okay, I have Young Mono back on now. So one thing that I notice about the style of Young Mono is she just feels rounder. I feel like Sunset is straighter and hangs straighter, and I don't feel like the back is quite the same. You notice how the back is a little bit stacked here, but then it comes down in more of a bit of an angle when you come off that nape. And with Sunset, I just feel like it's straighter. So if you like a rounder style that maybe appears to have a bit more volume, you might prefer the Young Mono. So I'm going to put on Sunset here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. sorry. I gotta get those hairs out of my face. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Do you see the straightness? And it's interesting because Sunset is actually a bit shorter, but she's just cut a little bit straighter cut, a little bit closer to the head, appearing to be lower density. Then her back, you'll see her nape kind of has these hairs that come down and sort of hug the neck right here. And she doesn't have as much stacking back here from the side angle. She just seems to be a lower profile style. But they're both super cute. I love them both. I wear them both. I love them both. Okay, so now I'm going to do just some side by side so you can see that for the end of the video. I hope that you have found this helpful. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful.